used to hunger to climb up the ladder of life. Now that I've grown up, I might as well own up. It's not worth the worry and strife. Things that I wanted were paid for with blessings I cannot recall. And all that I have I would trade for the things I considered so small. I'd be more than satisfied if I could hide away beside a babbling brook. Rippling waters call me far away to a quiet shady nook. Through the woods I long to hike, to linger where the world is like a storybook. Like a lazy daisy gazing at the sky. Let me live and love and let the world go by. I'd be more than satisfied if I could hide away beside a babbling brook. More than satisfied if I could hide away beside a babbling brook. Rippling water call me far away to a quiet shady nook. Through the woods I long to hike, to linger where the world is like a storybook. Like a lazy daisy gazing at the sky. Let me live and love and let the world go by. I'd be more than satisfied if I could hide away